I think one of the differences between industry and academia is the timescales you work to. Industry expects progress and results on much shorter timescales. Industry is more high pressure, I would say. You are under pressure to get results quickly. Academia, probably you get better opportunities for flexible working and a work-life balance. Depends obviously in the industry you're in, but some industries can be very high pressure, higher turnover.
The key difference with what I do now and what I was doing, say as a postdoc or in my PhD is really that I'm working for others and with others at the moment. So I found when I was doing my PhD and postdoc, I was writing a lot of papers, I was pushing my own research, but now my research is done through teams, and I'm working on national and international teams to do really, really big research goals. But I also work right across the university. So I'm teaching, which I have done in the past, but I'm doing more of now. But I'm also doing a lot more management roles. So I guess overseeing big projects such as our aerospace structures hub at Swinburne, which is making lightweight materials for the aviation industry. This is not something that I have training in, but I'm able to understand all the technical concepts and provide that management and leadership for that particular research hub.
In technical roles, it is a bit more regulated in the work that you have to do. There's just tasks and that has to be done, so the smooth operations of the labs. I feel that there's quite a bit more administration involved.
When I started my postdoc, apart from just doing my own research, I also had to start a few new things: supervising students, managing labs, taking care of some administrative responsibilities, buying new equipment. In order to do all of these things simultaneously and successfully, we need to have training in soft skills.
In industry, you're not expected to do any teaching, obviously. In my PhD, I worked inside a physics lab where we were expected to carry out all the tasks regardless of the stream, so programming, electronics, mechanical, all that. And I guess a key difference between that and where I am now is that we collaborate a lot with engineers who are specialists. They're very, very helpful to have them and be able to interact and make good things together, which I really enjoy.
One thing that I really enjoy doing when I was working at CSIRO is all those team interactions with industry and business, our clients, trying to understand different challenges and problems that our industry and business partner are facing, and then assemble a team, a research team, and develop specific solutions for our client. And this is the process that I enjoy a lot.
Having the opportunity to work in a startup company is something really different. I'm learning how companies run, particularly startups, and I'm working quite closely with some of the higher executive levels, such as the CEO in the company, and just seeing how they think and how they put the pieces of the puzzle together to set out the pathways for the technology and work out who we want to hire and where in the company and how we spend the budgets, and all of that is really, really interesting for me.
The key difference between my role now and my studies is very obvious, being in a completely different new field with almost no tangible link between the two concepts. However, I rely daily on my engineering problem-solving skills, the scientific method that I used in my research, and of course the data analysis techniques and tools that are similar across the two roles. So while the content is very different, the process of being able to research and answer a business question remain the same, and that's what I enjoy about my role.